Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I talk about skincare and sometimes life advice. And if you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to talk about a product that I have been quite into these days, which is Essence Toner. So as you guys know, toner are usually very watery, but like nowadays there are quite a lot of different products that's out there that market themselves as essence toner, meaning that the texture is thicker than water, sometimes a bit more like on the jelly side. So today I'm going to compare two products. One is more high-end and then the other one are a drugstore brand. Both of them are made in Japan. So these are the two that I'm going to talk about today. So this one is the Utena Puresa Essence Toner. It is called Premium Puresa Golden Jelly Lotion. It is quite big of a bottle. I decided to try this because I tried their mask and really enjoyed it, so I decided to try the toner. And then here is another more high-end one. This is from H20 Beauty. It's called Oasis Hydrating Beauty Essence. This one is also made in Japan and the texture is a little bit different between the two. This one is more like a thickened water kind of texture. It is very silky and it absorbs very fast. And then this one is a little bit different. As you can see, there are some gold foil, gold flakes inside the bottle. So it is actually more of a jelly consistency. So the name also kind of indicated that if it's not a jelly consistency, it would be very hard for the gold flakes to just flow around like that. So just going to talk about a little bit of the ingredients. The ingredients in this golden jelly lotion is mainly hyaluronic acid, collagen, pearl barley extract, and royal jelly. So this is that, and this one is made with red algae, seagrass, and water lily extract. So the ingredients are quite different, but they both have hyaluronic acid in it. And as you can see, the size is quite different. This is 120 milliliter and this is 190 milliliter. So there is quite a big difference in terms of size. However, I feel like they would last around the same time. The product that you need to use for this product is much less than this product. I will show you. So the dollop that you can squeeze out is also like very different. So this one is a lot more watery. You can see that it is almost like water, just a little bit thicker. And the scent is very faint, but it's a very refreshing scent. It just absorbs super easily and it feels like nothing afterwards. So now we're gonna show you the other one. So this one is not like water, it is like a jelly. So see, it's like perfect dollop and it doesn't really slide off my hand. So this is really like a jelly type, and this one is not as fast absorbing as the first H20 Plus Beauty one. I would say it is still fast, but it's not as fast. So I need a lot more time to rub it in. And once I rub it in, you can still feel like a slippery finish on my hand, but this hand is already completely absorbed and I don't feel anything on top after just like half a minute. But this one I still feel something on my hand. And this one is the golden jelly from Utena Puresa. I think the one that is completely absorbed with no special feeling post application is the H2O Plus Beauty. In terms of price, this is actually much more affordable at $149, and you can get it at any drugstore like Manning's, Watson's, or any Japanese cosmetics store. This one is harder to get. You have to get it from the H2O Plus boutique, or you can get this online. The price for this is actually $490, so there is like this is actually triple more than this one, and you actually get a little bit less products. But all in all, I feel like essence is something that I would invest in, and if this is the case for you as well, I would recommend the H2O Plus. You can see like I almost finished it, but this one I only used like 20%. Yeah, so this one is a lot more silkier, and it is like water. It is very moisturizing. It softens and hydrates the skin. Also makes your skin very supple, and as if your skin can drink water. So actually in Cantonese, this one is called a glasses of water, like called Bat Ui Sari essence. And this one is, as its name suggested, a golden jelly lotion. So this one, I think it also does feed your skin with a lot of moisturizing properties, but I just feel like this one makes my skin a bit too slippery for my liking, for my other treatments and essence afterwards. So I prefer the H2O Plus essence in general. But if I don't have the budget to get the H2O Plus, I would still purchase this one. So your call, and let me know in the comments down below. And if you have tried any other ones that is none of above and think it's really a good product, please let me know. I would love to know and try new products. Oh, if you liked my video, please make sure that you can hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I am a growing YouTuber, and I would really appreciate your help. Have a great day. Bye.